Coffee versus tea, which one is right for you? Not sure which morning beverage is right for you? Keep watching to find out the differences between tea and coffee, and which one might be better suited for your needs. Coffee and tea are largely debated because of their caffeine content. Caffeine's health benefits are largely attributed to its ability to help us stay alert and focused. Caffeine blocks adenosine, a neurotransmitter that triggers relaxation. Caffeine is a go-to pick-me-up for many people when it comes to starting the day off right or getting through a sluggish afternoon. It is a common fact that coffee contains more caffeine than tea. Tea leaves, however, contain more naturally occurring caffeine than unfiltered coffee beans. The difference between coffee and tea is that coffee is a strong brewed beverage, while tea is an infusion. Coffee is usually brewed at higher temperatures, which releases more caffeine molecules from the beans into your cup of joe. In contrast, tea is brewed at lower temperatures, which prevents all of the caffeine from being extracted from the leaves. Because we consume the whole bean, coffee also contains a higher amount of caffeine. In the case of tea, the leaves, as well as a large portion of the naturally occurring caffeine, are discarded. In general, an 8-ounce cup of coffee contains 90 to 100 milligrams of caffeine. Stronger roasts may contain more caffeine. Teas, such as black tea and green tea, contain varying amounts of caffeine. Most teas contain around 70 to 90 milligrams of caffeine. Black tea and matcha green tea are the strongest teas. Herbal teas and tisanes do not contain caffeine. Even though coffee contains more caffeine than tea, tea has other compounds that boost attention and focus. The amino acid L-theanine is present in many teas, including true teas. While this amino acid boosts alertness, it delivers energy more smoothly than coffee. In other words, you get an extra boost without experiencing the blood sugar spikes and dips you experience when drinking coffee. Additionally, L-theanine helps slow the absorption of caffeine in your bloodstream. You will feel less jittery as a result. The amino acid stimulates a neurotransmitter known as GABA, which reduces anxiety. It gives a smoother, calmer alertness than coffee does. Combined with moderate levels of caffeine, L-theanine reduces symptoms of caffeine withdrawal between beverages. So, which is right for you? Tea or coffee? Tea and coffee both have health benefits in the long run. The choice is ultimately yours and will be influenced by taste and expected outcomes. Drink tea if that's what you like. And if you love coffee, keep drinking it. Depending on your mood, you can combine the two and drink both tea and coffee at the same time. Tea is a great choice if you are trying to cut down on your caffeine intake. Since you can drink several cups throughout the day and still not get as much caffeine as you would from just 1 or 2 cups. Most teas contain less caffeine than a cup of coffee, though some, such as matcha and yerba mate, contain higher concentrations. There are other compounds in tea aside from caffeine that can boost energy and have fewer side effects for energy crashes. Coffee may be a great way to start your morning, but that doesn't mean you have to cut it out. You can choose either beverage for an energy boost. Please remember that you should limit your coffee consumption to 1 or 2 cups per day to avoid any side effects. In terms of tea, you can drink 4 to 5 cups per day without experiencing negative side effects. There you have it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, like this video. Comment your thoughts down below and subscribe for more coffee-related videos.